Elon Gate began as a meme, which became popular after Elon Musk tweeted, "If there's ever a scandal about me, please name it Elon Gate." It has now evolved into a blockchain project. In today's video, we'll see how much Elon Gate could be worth by December 2021. Hello, future billionaires! Welcome back to our channel, Crypto Money. The channel where you get crypto inspiration, motivation, and knowledge to become the next future billionaire. Before we get started, a humble reminder: subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and remember to turn on post notifications as well to never miss a video from us. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Oh, and know that the prices of cryptocurrencies change frequently, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. The content in this video is for educational purposes only, and hence should not be considered as financial advice. Do conduct your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. As cash from the project will be taken for charity, contribution, and community portals, the project will focus on philanthropic acts with the goal of making the world a better place. Elon Gate's pricing is rocketing to the moon faster than a Starship rocket. Elon Gate's price soared by more than 200% in the first 10 days after its debut. The meme token, which was cleverly named after one of Elon Musk's amusing tweets, might be the next cryptocurrency to alter the globe. Millions of Musk's Twitter followers, or Musketeers as we like to call them, have shown their support for Elon Gate. So what is Elon Gate and what can you anticipate from it? Elon Gate is a BEP20 cryptocurrency based on the Binance Smart Chain, according to their official website. It was newly added to PancakeSwap, and it may be used to trade with other Binance tokens. Earn, burn, and charity are the three essential aspects that have been incorporated into Elon Gate. A 10% charge is applied on every transaction for the earn function, with 5% of that tax being dispersed among the token holders. This encourages people to keep the coin in their possession and helps the coin maintain its value. When it comes to philanthropy, it's all about giving back to the community. Indeed, they have declared on their official Twitter page that they are a token with a purpose. They want to alleviate world hunger and have already pledged over $2 million to various charities all across the world, which is why crypto analysts are positive on Elon Gate. Every day, millions of tokens have been purchased. Elon Gate was priced at $0.000000037559 per token on July 15th, according to CoinMarketCap statistics. While the token's price is still a long way from the $1 mark, things are looking up for Elon Gate. As a result, we must examine additional elements to see how this coin will continue to expand steadily long into December. Since its creation, the coin has experienced an average daily growth of roughly 1.07%. In just 24 hours, it had a trading volume of just under $4 million, indicating that not only do people want to get their hands on this token, but they're willing to spend a lot of money to do so. However, just because a lot of people are investing in a coin doesn't imply it'll be the next big thing. New cryptocurrencies are extremely volatile, and the market price of a coin can drop at any time. The utility of a coin, or the value it adds to the market, is one of the most important elements that influences its market price rise. Does it provide an incentive for holders to keep their tokens? Because the higher the value of a token, the greater the demand for it and the bigger the price push. Second, what are some of the unique characteristics of this token that make it so appealing to investors? Is it a stable medium of trade, or does it pay dividends? As a general rule, the more scarce a coin is, the more valuable its price becomes over time. The coin Elon Gate has a fixed quantity of 1 quadrillion tokens, which means that no more tokens will ever be generated. As a result, after all of the tokens have been purchased, the value of this coin will undoubtedly grow. The fact that they are on a philanthropic mission to solve world hunger just adds to the appeal of the token. People are more likely to invest in anything with a charitable purpose. The world's first cryptocurrency with a focus on social effect. Elon Gate is pleased to announce a seed commitment to the Malala Fund, a nonprofit dedicated to ensuring that every girl has the opportunity to learn and lead. Malala and Ziauddin Yousafzai launched the Malala Fund in 2013 to advocate for every girl's right to a free, safe, and high-quality education for 12 years. According to Malala, there is still work to be done with over 130 million girls out of school today. I hope you will join me in my battle for equitable access to education and opportunity. We can create a society where all girls can learn and lead if we work together. This $25,000 commitment to the Malala charity is the first in a series of planned contributions to the fund. In just over 3 months, Elon Gate has raised $3,275,000 in total donations. Elon Gate is the world's first and largest charity cryptocurrency, changing the crypto market by rewarding its holders not just monetarily, but also by assisting their community throughout the world through socially meaningful activities. Elon Gate is able to do so thanks to its unique tokenomics, which focuses on passive earning and donating. These types of gestures of generosity are what makes the currency so popular among millennials. While the crypto community waits for Elon Gate's next move, the company's leadership has said that, following the successful launch of items, the community may expect NFTs to launch soon. Gene Rode, Elon Gate's chief marketing officer, commented on this. "We have a number of projects in the works that we are very enthusiastic about, and the launch of the NFT is one of them. I'm happy to report that the Elon Gate ecosystem will continue to grow in the coming months." With the support of the meme community, the project will try to raise awareness about the global hunger problem. However, as few of them are already in the conversation, not only people but established charity organizations will join the project currently. As a result, it will not only raise awareness but also educate people about blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Elon Gate will eventually provide a link between real-world philanthropic endeavors and the digital world of money. The initiative will soon be integrated with the NFT marketplace, where over 80% of profits will be donated to charity, and NFT holders will be able to participate in unusual giveaways based on platform-defined criteria. All philanthropy, on the other hand, will be transparent, and Elon Gate token holders will be able to track it. However, if Elon Gate receives a huge endorsement or attention from a well-known celebrity like Elon Musk, the price of Elon Gate might increase tenfold by the end of the year. Although we must admit that we are speculating, a more realistic estimate is that the market price of Elon Gate will continue to rise steadily, possibly by 2 or 3 times by the end of the year. Elon Gate is now receiving a lot of attention from the crypto community. It is the most visited token page on cryptocurrency analysis sites such as CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. As we all know, this coin has no direct link to Elon Musk, although it does share some of the title's characteristics. People are putting money towards this initiative. If it will continue to operate in the same manner as it does today, by 2025 the price will have risen to 11 cents. However, it will be available on any popular exchange, such as KuCoin, Binance, FTX, Huobi Global, and others, and its price might exceed $1. Consider how valuable this coin may become if Elon Musk approves and encourages it. It's also worth mentioning that Elon Gate does fantastic philanthropic work. We think it's fantastic how they've used the concept of charity to spark people's interest in blockchain projects and spread the word about this game-changing technology. Social media team of Elon Gate tweets about the token's charity efforts on a daily basis, and they frequently host educational seminars about what the token has to offer. When all is said and done, blockchain initiatives like Elon Gate are soaring in popularity because most individuals want to make a fortune from Bitcoin. Although the project's concept isn't particularly large, its goal of assisting those in need is evident. We all know that blockchain projects are exploding and that most people are making significant profits from various cryptocurrencies. As a result, the idea of donation and charity is a fantastic method to expose blockchain technology to the general public. Although the team has already posted a verified profile on the platform, we nevertheless recommend that you do your own research before investing. And with that, it's time to end the video. We hope this session was informative. Do let us know in the comments section below. Subscribe for more content just like this one, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to smash that like button and also press the bell icon to get notified about our new videos. Until then, fellas.